Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add a token contract address in MetaMask. So let's grab one quickly right here in our actual deck screener. So apologies for that. We are searching for chains and tokens right now actually too. So here, let's get one right here. Let's do Teams right here. So BSC would work best with your MetaMask. So let's open up MetaMask right now. So let's just load it up. And there we go. So here, the first thing you will have to do is grab the token address in MetaMask or other places like your deck screener or such. Import custom token address, you paste it right here. And once you've done that, it's gonna automatically choose the token symbol and the token decimal. Press next, and you'll be able to import it as easily. So once you import it, it's gonna come out here in your own actual MetaMask. And now you can buy, sell, bridge, swap, receive Teams right here. So if you want to send me Teams, you can do so right here. It's pretty good if you can do so. And right here, you can even send it to other addresses if you do have one. You can swap right here. If you have BNB, you can select the token right here and you can search for the Teams that we just searched. So just paste it right here, Teams, and then you'll be able to actually swap it. So there you go. That's how you had that token address into your MetaMask. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.